What is Google Play Developer Console? Google Play Developer Console is the platform that Google provides for Google Play and Android developers to publish and monitor their apps' performance in the Google Play Store. As Google explains, by using the platform, it's possible to publish your apps and games with the Google Play console and grow your business on Google Play. Benefit from features that help you improve your app's quality, engage your audience, earn revenue, and more. Why the Google Play Developer Console is important. The Google Play Console allows apps developers and marketers to better understand how their apps are performing in terms of growth, technical performance such as crashes, display issues, and financials. The console offers equation reports and detailed analysis which can help app devs marketers find out how well an app is really performing. The platform is important as it provides developers with access to first party data, trustworthy information collected about an app's audience that comes straight from Google Play that highlights the real performance of an app. The console allows the monitoring of conversion rates (CVR). It shows the number of impression an app listing receives and the number of installs an app receives from different sources over time. The user acquisition reports found in the console show data on how an app is getting its growth, such as user origins in terms of source. Google Play shows user traffic source, for example, whether organic explore traffic or paid traffic from third party referrals. Having access to deep analysis contributes to an understanding of an app's performance in terms of growth. However, the data is limited. It's not possible to see attribution, the science of attributing a user to its source at the campaign at level, just at the source level, which is why mobile measurements partners MMP exist to bridge the gap between them. Google Play Developer Console and ASO. The Google Play Console allows app devs marketers to monitor their CVR organic performance is the most accurate way with data given analysis. A pillar of ASO discoverability and one of key factor that affect it is the volume of first time installs. The fact that the platform provide that data makes it a vital tool for ASO teams. Industry expects now the Google takes first time installs to account when they remaking all their ranking and featuring decision in the store. MMPS who also provide tools for analysis can only show the number of user who installed and launched. They cannot differentiate if these user were to be taken into account. It would be possible to view the figure as a true representation of first time install, which means that the first install data from Google is more valuable to ASO teams. In order to really understand and improve CVR, it's vital to know exact first time install figures. The console platform ultimately provide the tool for team to monitor organic performance. ASO teams must have the starts in order to increase impression and install and monitor CVR over time. Only by analyzing these are ASO teams able to identify any areas of an app listing that need attention or improvement and show where an app is successful in order to irritate those elements and place them elsewhere on the product page. I hope you understand this video. Thanks for watching. Meet in next video. Don't forget like and subscribe. Thanks.